In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Circle. So, full tutorial. First, open your Circle community and log in with an account that has permission to create spaces. Then head to the space group where you want the course to live. In Circle, a course is treated as a type of space, just like posts, events, or chat, so this is where the setup begins. Next, hover over that space group, click the plus icon, and choose Create Space. From the space type, select Course, then click Next. After that, you'll choose your course type. Self-paced is best if students should get access right away and learn on their own timeline. Structured works well if you want content to unlock gradually based on when each student joins. Scheduled is ideal for cohort-style learning, where everyone follows the same calendar dates. Choose the option that fits your teaching style, then continue. Now add your basic course information. Choose an icon, enter your course name, confirm the correct space group, set member access if needed, and click Create Space. Your course will start in draft mode, which is helpful because you can build everything privately before anyone sees it. Once the course is created, open the new course space. You'll land on the course dashboard. From there, click Edit Lessons to start building the curriculum. Begin by creating sections which act like modules or chapters. Click Add Section, type the section title, and save it with the checkmark. You can always rename sections later, so don't worry about getting every title perfect on the first pass. Under each section, click Add New and select Lesson. Enter the lesson title and save it. Lessons are also created as drafts, so you can safely work on them in the background. To add content, hover over a lesson and click Edit. Inside the lesson editor, you can insert text, images, videos, audio, PDFs, embedded content, buttons, and links to other Circle content. A useful shortcut here is the / command, which opens content and media options quickly. If your course includes video, open the lesson, click into the editor, use the / command, choose the video or media option, and upload or embed the file. Add written guidance above or below the video, then save. If you want to include supporting materials like workbooks, templates, checklists, spreadsheets, worksheets, or bonus files, go to the Lessons Files tab and click Add File. Circle allows up to 15 supplemental resources per lesson there. You can also create quizzes by returning to the curriculum, clicking Add New under a section, selecting Quiz, giving it a title, opening the quiz editor, and adding your questions. If anything is out of order, use the rearrange icon to drag and drop lessons, quizzes, or even entire sections into the right position. To customize the course further, open the space settings. Here you can update the name, icon, space group, topics, access, notifications, permissions, SEO settings, lesson order, and mobile thumbnail. You can also change the terminology used in the curriculum, such as replacing sections with modules, chapters, units, weeks, or levels. For the course thumbnail, Circle recommends a 16:9 image with a minimum size of 800:450 pixels, which helps the course look polished, especially on mobile. If you selected structured or scheduled earlier, this is also where drip content becomes important. You can release sections gradually, which is useful if you want to guide students through the material in a more controlled learning path. Before publishing, preview the course from the dashboard using the More Actions menu and view it as a student would. Check lesson order, videos, links, files, spelling, permissions, and visibility. Then publish each lesson and quiz individually by going into Edit Lessons, finding the draft status, and switching it to Published. Finally, go back to the course space, open the access settings, choose the appropriate access level, and save. Once that's done, your course will be available based on the access and publishing setup you've chosen.